Hello friends, I hope you will be fine. Again I'm here with a new video. In this video I'm gonna teach you some sentences which we can use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. The first sentence is put the mobile phone on charging. मेरा मोबाइल चार्ज पर लगा दो. Second, he abreacted over me. He abreacted over me. उसने मुझ पर भड़ास निकाली. 3. Don't shoot arrows in the dark. तुक्के मत मारो. 4. I might miss my salah. मेरी नमाज निकल जाएगी. 5. You are sneezing since morning. तुम सुबह से छींक रहे हो. 6. I think you have a cold. मुझे लगता है तुम्हें सर्दी हो गई है. 7. All this is due to bathing in cold water. ये सब ठंडे पानी में नहाने की वजह से हुआ है. 8. I forbade you. I forbade you. मैंने तुम्हें मना किया था. 9. Why don't you listen to me? तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं सुनते हो. 10. Even though I say this for your own good. हालांकि मैंने ये तुम्हारी भलाई के लिए ही कहा था. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.